What's up, guys? Happy Tuesday, guys. Happy Tuesday. It's time to go for another coffee. But it's cold outside, so let's see where we're off to today. Let's see what it sounds like. Let's go. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of WrightHere. My name is Joe Wright, and you're WrightHere. So yeah, today we're going to go for another cup of coffee, hopefully with another view. The weather isn't so good outside, so I'm going to wrap up a little bit, and yeah, we'll see where it takes us. First of all, I want to say thank you to everyone who has liked and shared the song so far, my new track Stardust, which is out now. It's getting a lot of great feedback, and what I will do, I'll talk about that in a bit. So yeah, let's go and get the show on the road. 2, 3, 4. Yes.
Running wild, loaded with soul. The lion is tall, he's the king of the jungle. Take a chance to jump over the bed, shoot out the robbers and the building will crumble. Flying high over the moon, look down to the earth and see who's talking. Whip it quick as the shouting begins, banging on these walls, but this blanket's my fortress. Little Johnny dog, how you fight them off, how you keep me warm and safe. You're gonna keep it.
That's the race field. It's starting to rain out. Yippee. Yeah. Baytown racetrack.
Running through the darkest place and you don't know it's love. We're lost between the clouds, our faith, and you wanna have some.
So, back on the beach again. Yeah, this time we are going in the other direction, so most people will know where I'm going. Past Bettystown. If that gives you any hints. Yeah, it's a long trek. It's about the same distance probably from where I started with the Ben Head walk. And I suppose I'll keep you updated. I'm going to get a coffee. This time I'm going to get a coffee on the way. I decided not to bring the flask. So another obstacle will be trying to keep the coffee till the end. And anyone who knows me knows that's not going to happen. So yeah, here's to another trek. Oh, here is Laytown Church. The beach view of Laytown Church.
So I'm gonna show you something you haven't seen before. You're my friend, you got my love, you got my.
'Tis a very nice church. 'Tis a very nice church.
You got my heart right up, 'cause you're my friend, you got my love, you got my heart right.
There are some holiday homes. Recently there was something filming in there. I'm not sure what project it was, but usually you'd see it in a couple of music videos, and it's where people come to chill. It's holiday homes. So coming up to Bettystown now. That big yellow building, and then Neptune. I'm going to get a coffee up here, and then we make our way. Bettystown. Where did Bettystown get its name from? I'm gonna have a guess now. Just a wild guess. Just a wild guess. Calm down. I'd say it was from someone called Betty. I don't know. Maybe. I haven't a clue. Who knows? So yeah. Don't hold me to that, guys. I'm going in here now to get a coffee. I'll show you where I'm going to get it now. Nice little cafe on the beachfront. Because I'm a bougie bitch like that. Yeah. So, I'm here at the cafe. This little blue place called Relish. So before I do that, I need to put my mask on, as the future says. Yeah.
The weekend coming all around the world. Listen, you can feel the weekend coming all around. around the world. Listen, you can feel the weekend coming all around the world. Listen, get down, get with me. Cause right now it's a summer in the city. Get up, get down.
Thanks, Rach.
Get with me. Cause right now it's a summer in the city. Get up, get down. Get with me. Cause right
now we're back on it. Now we're on the home stretch. And today we're going up to Mornington to go up to the Mornington wall where the boats come in. Hopefully there's a boat. I don't see anything in the water at the moment. Hopefully there's a boat and hopefully we catch something. So, catch you in a bit, guys. See you when I'm up there.
Cause I've been keeping my eye on your movement. Those guys have been staring for far too long. You got a body and they wanna use it. Listen, you can feel the weekend coming all around.
So guys, yeah, this is the Mornington wall. Welcome to the Mornington wall. I'll climb on top. Well, I'll climb on top on that a little bit. But unfortunately there is no ships coming in today. This is usually a way to get into draw the port. Unfortunately there is no ships coming in. Yeah, it's still a bit windy, but it's turned out to be a nice day, I suppose. I'll try and get a few shots of the tower, Mornington Tower now in a bit. But yeah, this is Mornington wall. Still got the coffee. The coffee isn't cold. So yeah, I want to say thank you to everyone who has listened to the song. The feedback has been great. Everyone has been sending me messages saying it was the song. Really works well. Love to get happy. Again, this is a song that I wasn't sure about putting out as a single because I was going to put something a little bit more upbeat, which I think hopefully the next song will be. But yeah, I'm glad everyone likes the song. Thank you very much for liking it. Thank you very much for sharing it, listening to it. It's on those platforms anyway, and hopefully it will be on a bigger project later in the year. That's the plan. That is the plan. Yeah, I'm going to show you a couple of clips of the rest of the scenic up there. Okay, the tower, if I can get into it. Sorry, it's a bit windy. I'm going to show you a bit of that, and I will catch you on Friday.